Hi, welcome to Practical Electronics Simplified. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Code Composer Studio and Halcogen. Finally execute a simple LED blink program. We will be using TMS570 LS124 Launch Pad from Texas Instruments. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Open your browser and go to ti.com/tools/CCS Studio. Click on Downloads and download CCS Studio IDE. CCS Studio is supported for Windows, Mac, and Linux OS. In this tutorial, we will be working on Windows system. Now we will download Halcogen. Open your browser and go to ti.com/tools/halcogen. Click on Downloads and download Halcogen Code Generator tool. Now we will install CCS. TMS570 series microcontrollers belong to Hercules safety family, so we select this option. The CCS installing has begun. We will skip to the end of installing. Now that we have installed CCS, let's install Halcogen. Halcogen installation is complete. Let's open Halcogen. Click on File tab. New project. Select TMS570 LS12X. Choose 1224 PGE variant. Select the project location carefully and make sure to note it down. We will be needing this later. Now we give this project a name Halcogen LED Blink. Click OK. You can see whole lot of microcontroller peripherals. Do not get confused. For this tutorial we will be needing GIO drivers. Click on Driver Enable tab. Unmark all drivers. Enable GIO drivers only. Now we generate the code by clicking on File. Generate code. The code is being generated. Code generation is complete. We can see all the generated header files and C files here. Now close the Halcogen window. Browse to the path where Halcogen files are generated. You can see include and source folders which contain the generated code. Now we open Code Composer Studio. Make sure to choose appropriate location for the workspace and click Launch. Click on File. New CCS project. Target should be TMS570 LS1224. Our Launchpad has XDS110 onboard debugger. Click on XDS110 USB debug probe. Now we give name to our project as CCS LED Blink. Make sure to choose empty project. The main.c file is already created by Halcogen. We do not want CCS to create it again. Connect the Launchpad to your system. Let's test our Launchpad debug probe by clicking Verify. Scan test has succeeded. Next step is to copy the Halcogen generated files to our CCS project location. Once we copy the Halcogen generated files, we are able to see them in CCS Project Explorer. Now we add the path of the Halcogen generated include files to the project. Right-click on the project and select Properties. Go to Build then ARM compiler. Click on Include Options and add the Halcogen generated include files. Now go to source sys_main. This is our main.c file generated by Halcogen. I already have the code written, so I will copy paste it. Make sure to add your code only in between user code begin and end, or else Halcogen will erase the code which does not follow this rule. Now we add GIO header file to the code. Add GIO init. Then we set the direction of the GIO port B as output. Our launchpad has LED connected to port B pin 1 and pin 2. GIO set bit function makes the pin 1 and pin 2 of the port B set or reset. Delay is generated by a simple for loop. Now we build the code. Build is successful. Now let's load the code to our launchpad by pressing debug button. We can see both the LED are blinking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and comment to support my channel. That's all for now. See you next time.